new project, 87 Fox. We already started working on it. The front end out, old motor and transmission is out. This was 4-cylinder automatic. So as you can see, we got all the wiring harness out, brakes out, motor out, steering, even wipers, everything out. Everything that we're gonna need. Car is insanely clean. That car. Maybe a little bit here. It needs to be cleaned up. Inside, bright interior. Dash, we got it out. So like I said, automatic. Coupe for 87. So we got everything. All the suspension is out. Here the front suspension. We got the fuel tank is out. Rear end is out. Because it was a 4-cylinder, this one came with a smaller axle on it. We put in the 8.8 on it. Let's see if I can show you underneath. Super clean car. This was a 4-cylinder, door boxes and everything. They're beautiful. No cracks, no stress, nothing. So we're gonna paint the underneath on it, and then we're gonna paint the front section and engine bay before we stick the Coyote on it. We're gonna do a Coyote 2nd gen with a 6R80 automatic transmission. We already got the motor here. I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, that's pretty much. My next step is gonna be, I don't want to sell like the flat panels here. I don't really like them much, but I do want to fill out all these holes. They just make no sense. The large holes, I'm gonna keep them where they are. In the back, I'm keeping everything the way it is. But yeah, all the little ones I want to try to fill. I guess that's going to be my next step. Weld those and grind them down, and then pressure wash everything so I can paint the underneath flat black, and then the engine bay is going to be red. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Stay tuned for the next part. I'm going to try to get some videos of it, the welding process, how that goes, and then the pressure washing and painting and all the stuff. We're trying this assembly. I didn't really pay too much attention to taking videos because there's a ton of videos of them being disassembled. So yeah, so clean, put all the parts here in the back. Let's see if we can make these Coyote swap. Here's my engine. Coyote 2nd gen out of 2017. The transmission is already on the way, and the suspension parts should be on the way too.